Join me as I dive into the world of Grrr stock and see if I can predict whether it's about to explode or crash. Grrr stock has been on my radar lately, and I think it's worth exploring, especially given the current market landscape. This stock seems to be flying under the radar for many investors, but it has some interesting dynamics at play. One of the main concerns with Grrr stock is its volatility. The price can swing wildly in a short period. This unpredictability makes it challenging for investors to get a grasp on its true value. Another issue is the company's financial health, which has raised some eyebrows among analysts. The company's debt-to-equity ratio has been increasing over the past few years, which could be a red flag for potential investors. Additionally, Grrr stock has been facing intense competition in its industry, which could impact its growth prospects. Some investors are also worried about the company's management team and their ability to navigate these challenges. The industry Grrr operates in is also experiencing a significant shift, with new technologies emerging and changing the game. This disruption could either help or hurt Grrr stock, depending on how well the company adapts. On the other hand, the company's recent partnerships and collaborations could be a positive sign, potentially driving growth and innovation. A deep dive into the company's recent news and market trends reveals that Grrr has been investing heavily in research and development, which might just give them the edge they need. A closer look at the company's fundamentals reveals some interesting trends. For instance, their revenue growth has been impressive over the past year. This could indicate that Grrr stock is poised for explosive growth, especially if the company can maintain this momentum. Another key factor to consider is the overall market sentiment, which seems to be shifting in favor of Grrr stock. If this trend continues, we could see the stock price surge in the near future. The million-dollar question is whether Grrr can sustain this growth and become a leader in its industry. In conclusion, Grrr stock seems to have some promising prospects, with potential for explosive growth. The factors that could drive its success include the company's recent partnerships, investments in research and development, and overall market sentiment. What do you think about Grrr stock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more financial insights, be sure to check out my other video where I analyze another stock that's been making waves in the market.